So today's video is of a beautiful 1988 Viking 55 motor yacht, Miss Catherine. You can see she's got a big swim platform here, a ladder up to the aft deck. This is a huge and beautiful boat. She's 63 feet overall, 17.5 in beam. She has 1,200 square feet of living space inside. And here she is, sitting in her slip at the Lake Guntersville Yacht Club. We're going to move on forward here. You can see her bow, bowsprit, anchor roller. Got a big CQR anchor in there. Fender storage on the bowsprit. Great sitting area on the bow. We'll get up on that foredeck in here in just a minute. Take you all down this side so you can see the kind of shape she's in. She's a beautiful boat. Been well maintained and always ready to go here at the yacht club for a cruise. Okay, we're going to step aboard here. Okay, we just boarded on the port side and we're going forward up to this beautiful foredeck. Nice upholstered lounge area here. You can see up to, got a covered flybridge up there as well. Check out that windlass right there. This is a beautiful foredeck. Plenty of space, great place to hang out while you're underway. Now we're heading down the starboard side. Notice these walkarounds. They're wide, they're well protected. You have good high railings all the way around this boat. This boat is really easy to handle because of her good walkarounds, very safe and secure. And these doors are fantastic. These are really well sealed true doors, not sliders like on many motor yachts, so they seal well. Going into the pilot house now. And look at this helm station. Interior helm station here is full set electronics, chart plotter, radar. What a great view from this helm station right here. Lots of area and great seating. Pass through back to the galley. Just a beautiful boat. Here we are back on the port side, heading aft. Again, giant walkarounds, very safe all the way around this boat. You've got a nice aft deck back here. Great place to hang out. Sitting at the dock or underway. Great place to sit out when you're at anchor in the lee side, just looking at whatever's back there. Plus you've got your swim platform here, and you've got a nice ladder for access down to the swim platform. So the boat can easily be boarded from a floating dock or from a dinghy. We're going through the doors now into the main salon. And look at this salon. Wow. This boat is huge. plenty of comfortable seating in here. And now we're heading up a true staircase to the flybridge, not just a ladder. So it's very safe, very nice to go up here. And look at this flybridge. Huge. We got 3 seats up here. Again, helm station, full electronics. Got your chart plotter there. And look at this view over the bow here. Great foredeck. And even better here, look at this seating area back here with the table. And you got a grill and refrigerator up here. So this is just a great place to entertain guests up here on the flybridge. Beautiful views from up here always. Just a fantastic yacht. And you have a very classy tender here. A Whaler 110 Sport. Beautiful boat with hydraulic crane and ready to go. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed this tour of the 55 Viking motor yacht.